Hi, my name is Carl from West Riding Hyundai. British roads and the British climate can be tough on your car. Today I'm going to show you the Williams ceramic coat paint protection and interior fabric protection. Over time, the sun's UV rays, bird lime, dirt and poor washing techniques damage and work away at your car's clear coat, also known as lacquer layers, which exposes your car's actual paint. Ceramic coating is applied to your car's paintwork as well as the alloy wheels and side windows. Modern cars have paint that is so thin and soft that even running your fingernails along the paint can damage the clear coat. The ceramic coating bonds to the tiny pores in your car's paintwork, creating a long-lasting, solid, crystal clear bond that lasts as long as you own the vehicle, which maintains the showroom shine that your vehicle is manufactured with. Vehicle manufacturers recommend you to hand polish your vehicle 2 to 3 times per year to keep the paintwork in excellent condition. However, with ceramic coating you won't need to polish your vehicle ever again. There are 5 stages to the application. We wash your vehicle, dry your vehicle, apply the Williams pre-clean, we apply the ceramic coat and then plus the curing time and buffing. Applying fabric protection to your vehicle when it is new is the best time to protect your brand new materials, using fluorocarbon technology making your fabrics fluid and water resistant. This helps making everyday spills, dirt and grime easier to remove, saving you time, money and effort. You will also be glad to hear that this is a non-aerosol product and it is also hypoallergenic, environmentally friendly and completely safe. The fabric protection has a 3-stage application, which is cleaning the fabric, application of the fabric protection and also drying time. Another good to note is that Williams has been designed by the Williams Formula 1 racing team and does not need to be reapplied again. For your comfort, the paint and fabric protection comes with a lifetime guarantee for as long as you own the vehicle. All that's required is that you take reasonable care of your vehicle. Thank you.